Today I want to show you this small parcel from eBay. Okay. Called scanner guard card, and basically this is a RFID blocker. I bought this card because not that I want to block my credit card. I don't have problem with that, but the problem is usually I use my card for the public transport, and one day I accidentally scanned my credit card and they charged my credit card with the wrong fare. So now I want to protect just in case I'm scanning my card mistakenly. So let's test the RFID blocker. This is my card and this is the app to scan this public transport card. So you can see it's reading, there's a balance on it. So you can see now my card is behind the blocker. Okay, it does work. And what happens if I put this side the blocker on the back? It also works. Okay, the whole idea is I want to block my credit card. Let's try the credit card on the public transport app. As you can see, it's not able to identify the card, but at least it got signal. So now I want to check with the blocker. Now I've got the credit card behind the blocker, and I can test here, there's nothing. So the next thing I'm going to try is I'm going to go to the station and test on their device. But I'm not going to put my credit card just in case they charge my credit card again. Okay, now I'm going to test it on the public transport device. Here I got the card and the public transport card below. Let's have a look. You can see it's failing. Let's double check my card. So it works. So I'm quite happy with the scanner guard card. If you want to find one, is RFID blocker, scanner guard card, and from now on I'm going to put it into my card wallet. And so I can protect all my credit card. I know I'm silly. I mistakenly scanned my credit card instead of my public transport card. I hope it won't happen again. I hope this video is useful to someone. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.